Welcome back, YouTubers. As I say before in all my other videos, what I'm doing is just talking to all viewers that's new to the ICO field that involves lending platform. So what we're going to do today is we're going to check out this coin that's still in the ICO stage called ABITRACOIN. Now, anytime I do reviews for you, it's to just see, is this platform ready or not? So we're going to go from there and just start with a little word of what ABITRACOIN has to say about their coin. So let's see what they have to say.
What if a small decision could change the course of your life forever? Let me tell you a story behind the story. More and more people are interested in cryptocurrencies. There are a lot of them, and Bitcoin is the biggest of all. If you don't know what Bitcoin is, let me give you an overview. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that is becoming more and more popular because it is a secure and private payment method to transfer money through the internet without using third parties like banks, governments, or other institutions. Receive transactions within 1 hour, no matter how much money or from which location the money was sent, and the fees are very low. If you would have invested $100 in Bitcoin back in 2009, you would be a millionaire today. In 2009, you could have purchased Bitcoins for less than a US penny. Today, on January the 4th, 2018, a Bitcoin is worth about 15,000 US dollars and still rising. Bitcoin did that without any marketing strategy. Coins can be purchased on appropriate websites or generated through your own personal computer. This generation is a process called mining, for which a special software and specially configured computers are used to write an algorithm generating coins. What if you could go back to 2009 and have the possibility of buying Bitcoins again? What if you had known what would happen with Bitcoin? Stupid question, right? Would have bought as much Bitcoin as possible. But there is something from this question that we can all learn. If any opportunity sounds too good to be true, you might never find any true opportunity which is good. Even though experts say that Bitcoins will keep rising, many believe that it is too late and too expensive to speculate. But can you imagine how your financial situation would look if you had invested $100 in the early stage of Bitcoin? Unfortunately, we can't go back in time. But the good news is that you can learn from the past and act accordingly, so long as you're getting a second chance. Our BITTRACOIN is that second chance, at which you can be right at the forefront. Why is our BITTRACOIN that second chance? Because it has not only all features and the ability to be a digital currency that everyone can use, but it is the single best investment opportunity you will find right now. That's why we call it the investment coin. Our BITTRACOIN, or ATC, makes digital payments available for everyone and easy to use. ATC has not been created against other coins, but for something. We want you to not only have a payment solution which is up to date, but to really help us disrupt the way the world is paying and investing. We want you to not only be part of the cryptocurrency revolution, but to really make the most out of it. The transfer of our BITTRACOIN occurs instantly and decentrally, which means instead of using any central servers, the transactions are spread across multiple servers. So money can be transferred anonymously to every place in the world within seconds. In addition, it's impossible to change or falsify any transaction data because it's forced to hack multiple servers at the same time. The difference between Bitcoin and our BITTRACOIN is that our BITTRACOIN provides several investment opportunities with insider cryptocurrency information: lending, staking, trading, and affiliate network. What is lending and how does it work? Lending is the opportunity to lend your own ATC to get a daily reward from our BITTRACOIN lending platform and arbitrage software. It is an impressive concept for investors.
Now we're going to stop right there. And this basically gave you an understanding of what ABITRACOIN is about. Now we're going to look at another YouTuber who reviewed that coin and see what she has to say. Because these are the red flags or not that you will want to look at. So let's just see what she has to say.
Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to review another learning ICO called ABITRACOIN. I'm tired of learning ICO, but I keep getting requests, so I don't know what to do. So here we are, ABITRACOIN. The name is from arbitrage because what they claim is that they have a arbitration software which is working awesome. That's how they make money. Okay, the website is clean, good looking. And then the most bizarre thing is the total supply. They have 350 million coins. You heard me correctly, 350 million coins. In this ICO, they're going to sell 80 million coins. Their ICO date here is January 20th, but it has changed to February 1st. And the starting price is 10 cents. They didn't mention what algorithm, but yeah. The price of the ICO starts at 10 cents and they're gonna sell 10 million in the first round. The supply is bizarre. It totally doesn't make sense for a lending coin to have such a high total supply. The way the lending coins work is because of the smaller supply, they create an illusion of demand. Because when you lend your coins, those coins are locked. They are not in the market, and then the total supply in the market goes down. When the supply goes down, it generates demand and the price goes up. But if you already have like 350 million coins, let me give you kind of a little estimate. Most of the lending coins have their total supply between 20 to 30 million. They are selling only 80 million in ICO, and they have 350 million. Totally bizarre. I don't know who is into this one. After hearing about the total supply, it is not another electronium. Electronium or those coins have a purpose. These coins have no purpose. They are lending ICO. They solve no problem. They all compare themselves with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin has come through a lot of things. We have a coins that actually are used for transaction and trading. Those coins, look at Monero, look at Ripple, they have a purpose and they have a whole team behind them. They have like really real developers, not like freelancers. They work on those projects, they have a backing, they have investors, they have a whole team. Here is a 9-minute video where they try to explain what Bitcoin is and how they're even better than Bitcoin. Okay, so first thing they said about Bitcoin is that it is used for transactions and it is decentralized and anonymous. The transactions are done in 1 hour and the transaction fee are very low. That's why people use this. So I don't know which world they live in because right now the major debate is Bitcoin network is congested, transactions are not fast, and the Bitcoin fees are insane. So I don't know which world they live in because the argument between Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin is that the fee, and they're claiming the people are using because of the fee. Okay, let's not get into that. Then they compare themselves with Bitcoin. If you have Bitcoin, you have bought $100 worth of Bitcoin.
Now we're going to stop it right there because, of course, when you start to get into this particular area of investing or speculating or gambling or just doing something for entertainment, you would want to look out for as many red flags or any downside to a platform that you want to get into. And the reason for that is it's going to give you a more bigger picture, whereas you don't just have one view, which is what arbitrage coins say they supposed to be doing. If you look to the side right here, it says right here, after further research, arbitrage coin is a scam. That could be true and it could be not true. You never know. And you have another one that says arbitrage coin is a scam for sure. Now, I am definitely not saying to you that arbitrage coin is a scam. I'm just bringing a review to new beginners on things, tools like searches that you can use to figure out if the coin is any good. Because we're going to have some people that just they're going to praise the coin. They're going to say yes, it's a good coin. That it's a good platform to get into. But you just never know. You just have to figure out like, okay, how do I make my decision? And one way to make the decision, it will definitely have to be into asking questions about this platform. As you heard her say, there is no team. Whether there's a team or not, you want to be for sure, the project is going to meet your criteria, which means you will have to search criteria. In order to search criteria, you have to get as much as you can through these ICO platforms. She did give some pretty good points on why you would want to not probably invest, but with us not being advisors or experts or having any type of rights to tell anyone what they can and cannot do with their investments, that is not our plan. Our plan, our views is just to give you an understanding of, okay, this is what this platform is about. So this particular platform, ABITRACOIN, it's mining, staking, lending, giving you 2% daily interest, as you seen she said. That's kind of high. And if it is, then it's something to stack up against what the other programs doing. Now there's other programs that I want to look at that I'm going to do a review for in the future to see if they are ready or not. So, this is for arbitrage coin, ready or not. And the next one will be for BCHCONNECT. As you see, the ICO goes live January 15th, 2018. And another lending platform. All my reviews will be for a lending platform for beginners. And what I will be doing is just taking you through either red flags to look for or, people to help you make the decision on like, do I want to invest in this? Or people that's going to give you tools or pointers as a beginner to look at like, okay, that don't sound right. Maybe I need to do a little bit more searching or something. So let's just take a look at this and see what it has to say. And this coin is called BCH Connect. And here we go. All right. Well, thank you for watching my review. Please like, subscribe, dislike, share. Give those in your other in your YouTube circles understanding of what ICOs you want to get in and what ICOs you don't want to get into. And just is they ready or not? In my next reviews, it will most likely have to do with BitTrado and BCH Connect.